You are looking at one of the most reliable cars in Nigeria right now. The 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry. I feel like this car is going to replace the Corolla very soon, the Corolla Uber, just because of how reliable, how affordable it is. This is a 2012 car, so saying it is affordable is actually not correct, but it is very, very reliable. Comes with a 2GR V6 engine or a 2AR 4-cylinder engine, two of the most reliable engines ever from Toyota. And today I'm going to tell you exactly how much it is going to cost you to own this car in Nigeria. Because like I always say, buying a car in Nigeria is not just about paying money for the car. You need to maintain it properly, you need to know what to do, you need to know what goes by, you need to know if you can afford the maintenance. My name is Crank, and this is the true cost of owning the 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry in Nigeria. The first thing you need to know about this particular Camry generation or model is that it comes in three trims. There's the LE, there's the XLE, and then there's the SE. This is the SE. How do I know? And how would you know? It comes with a fog light and spoilers on the bumper. And this sporty front grille. While the LE doesn't have a fog light, it doesn't have this, it just has normal headlights, it doesn't have this type of grille. Then the XLE also has bumper, but it doesn't have this sporty spoiler design for the bumper. So that's the difference. There's also some difference on the interior. For the LE, it is fabric seat. For the SE, it is a mix of suede and leather. And for the XLE, it's fully leather. The price varies based on the trim. But the typical Tokumbo price for this car ranges from 13 million to 15 million, depending on the trim, year, model. Nigerian used ranges from 8.5 to 10, 11 million naira. I've seen people selling for 12, I've seen people selling for 13, but that's because maybe the car just came newly into the country and the previous owner didn't use it for long, or it's just very, very clean, or the mileage is extremely low. But that is the price range. Now, what is the true cost? That is the buying cost. Let's start from the bonnet. If you buy a Camry and you need to replace the bonnet because salvage or you just bash the car and it affects the bonnet, it's going to cost you 180,000 naira to replace this complete bonnet. While the complete bumper, the complete front bumper ranges from 200k to 250k, 300k, depending on if it's XLE, LE or SE. This grille is about 40,000 naira for the grille. The fog lights is about 50,000 naira for a pair. Now this headlight is 90k each, so between 90k and 100k each, so both of them will cost you 200,000 naira. The fender is about 60,000 naira for just one fender, 60,000 naira. So the door is about 200k. This door is 200k. And you're asking, in your mind, you're probably thinking, why am I replacing the door? Accidents. I don't know, anything can happen and the door just condemns and you can't use it again. You have to change the door. 200k for this shop. This side mirror is just a regular side mirror. It's going to cost you about 200,000 naira for the both of them, including the glass. But if you're changing only the side mirror housing, then it's going to cost you about 75,000 naira for one. So 150k for the both of them. This one comes with lights. Not all of them come with lights, but because it comes with lights, that's why it is more expensive. The regular ones should be about 60k for one, so 120k for both. Now coming to the back here, this light is going to cost you about 200,000 naira for both of them, between 200 and 250,000. Let's just say 250k for the light because it is 4 pairs, outer one, inner one, outer one, inner one. And this boot door is going to cost you about 200k. The back bumper is also about 200,000 naira to replace this back bumper. Now let's talk about the suspension components. Inside here we have the brake disc, we have the brake pad, we have the calipers, we have the shock absorbers, we have the lower arms, bushing, we have the linkage, we have the ball joints. So how much are these things? A pair of ball joints is about 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira. A pair of linkages is about 10 to 15,000 naira. The disc is about 60,000 naira each. If your disc goes bad, maybe you are pressing the brake on high speed and the car is vibrating because the brake pad is not properly able to grip the disc because it has been warped. So you have to change the disc for about 60,000 naira. Brake pad on this car is about 25,000 naira. Your tire is about 50,000 naira each for Tokumbo tires. Brand new tires should be about 150 to 180k depending on the quality. There's more expensive tires, but that's okay quality for brand new. Your wheels, this wheel should break. It's going to cost you about 500,000 to 600,000 to change all 4 wheels. The Camry has one thing that goes bad with it, where the shaft starts to make noise. When you turn the car fully and you're moving, you can start hearing stuff like ka 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 ka. Inside here, you see something called the shaft. To replace the shaft on your Camry is going to cost you about 100,000 naira for both. Let's say 100k to 150k, depending on the price, depending on where you're buying it from. Once you replace the shaft, then you are good to go. Let's check out the engine and maintenance and all what is in the engine bay. Yeah, you have your 2AR FE 4-cylinder engine. That engine costs about 1.5 to 1.8 million naira for a very good grade. This is your catalyst. They steal this thing a lot. If you drop your car in a mechanic workshop that is dubious, they will open it up, take out the catalyst, and you think you still have something inside, but it's going to be empty. So original authentic catalyst cost about 300,000 naira. There's some other quality of catalyst for about 150k, but the thing about the 150k ones is your check engine lights might not go off. So this particular catalyst is 300,000 naira. Your alternator here is about 80,000 naira. This is the alternator that charges the battery. Your AC compressor on this car is about 250,000 naira for automatic AC compressor. This is your ABS machine, controls your braking. This is about 120,000 naira if you have ABS issues and you need to change the complete module. Okay, yeah, you also have your radiator fan. Radiator fan is about 150,000 naira on this car. The steering rack alone is about 55,000 naira. But the electric steering module, that's the electrical part of the steering rack, that one is about 150,000 naira attached to the steering column. The batteries in this car are about 65,000 naira if you need to replace them. And here's the brain box. The brain box is what controls. This is the computer of the car, the ECU. This is about 80,000 naira if you need to replace it. Now let's talk about maintenance. Maintaining your Camry is not really a lot of work. It uses a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. A 5-liter gallon of engine oil is going to service it. Engine oil, oil filter, and labor should not be more than 75k for your Camry. You do that every 3 months, and you are good to go. So let me know, is the Camry an affordable car to maintain? If it is not, let me know. Let me know other costs I haven't mentioned on this car, because it's a very, very common car. So the parts are everywhere. There's no need to fear. The parts are all over the market. Before I go, let me know the next car you want to see us do a true cost on. Also join our WhatsApp community via the description, where we have a one-on-one interaction with our community members. My name is Crank once again, and this is 234 Drive. See you next time.